Greetings and salutations, as always. It's your favorite good guy behind the goggles, JRB Token, and we're gonna throw together a recycle bong. And all we need for this bong is what you see here. 2 straws, well, 1.5 straws, which you can get from little kids' cups from the dollar store, spending about 85 cents to $1.50 on them, and 2 plastic containers. One of these, this was a hand soap container, has that pear light bulb shape. I actually used one of these for my waterfall bong, my first one, and man, I don't even remember what this was for, but that's all you need. And I will guarantee you, you're going to get right now the JRB Token seal of approval, and guarantee that this bong with, I say if you add up all the components, would probably cost you $1.50, maybe $2 tops. This $2 bong is gonna hit better than bongs that people spend hundreds on. I guarantee. Now let's get to it. Let's throw this together. We're gonna start with the base. Simple. Already has a hole right there. I'm gonna grab this straw. I'm gonna put it in to about right here. So just push it in, pull it at the end, and then what I'm gonna do with the bottom, I'm gonna curl it and bring it, bam, right there as such. And that's how I want it to lay. That's gonna be the base. Before we go any further, I'm gonna fill this up now, set it up, bam. Now the second part is this. You already see a hole right here and a smaller hole right here. You're gonna take the bigger hole, put it to the back. You're gonna angle this. You don't want it to lay straight up and down. You're gonna angle it forward. So you see how it's gonna look. It's gonna be angled forward as such, and then you got your tape. Now with this bong, one time around will do. So grab your tape and seal the deal. Oops, came up a little short. How embarrassing. But let's fix that problem right now and seal the deal. Here we go, and here we go. Bong sealed. Last piece, you see I already have tape on it. You're gonna push this in to the tape. Wait, let me grab one more piece real quick. I just want to make sure, because I'm not using any sealants or anything. I'm just tape sealing everything. So I'm just gonna put this one over this one. As you can see, grab this, push it through, and then bam. And there you have it. This nifty little bong, which is gonna act like a elevator bong. Check out my videos if y'all wanna know what that is. Smoke gonna go down, right in. Now you see the only way the smoke can go is through to this bottle, but it's submerged underwater. So this bottle is gonna force some of the water up to get to the smoke. It's gonna be a lovely hit. I guarantee. But as cool as this looks, it doesn't matter if it doesn't work. So goggles going down. It's going down. Let's test it out. Blunt lit. Let's put it in. Let's do this. Woo! There you have it. $2 bong hits like $1,000,000.